Hello friends, this video will help you to understand the 5S technique. Agenda. What is the 5S technique? What is the purpose of 5S technique? How does this technique work? When do you use the 5S technique? What is the example of 5S technique? First we will see what is the 5S technique. 5S is a workplace organization technique. It is a way to involve associates in the ownership of their workplace. It helps create and maintain the efficiency and effectiveness of a work area. Basically, 5S technique is adopted in any of the industry or organization to improve its quality, to improve the productivity, to improve the quality, have a control on the quality. So this is a Japanese technique. 5S is a common starting point for lean activities in a company. What is it for? It is a way to create cleaner work areas, more organization, safer work conditions, less wasted time, efficient work processes and practices, more available space. So from these reasons you can understand that what is the purpose of 5S. Basically you should keep your area clean, so that if the area is clean you can identify the tools that you need daily in your workshop or the industry for working purpose. Next, more organization means all the things should be more proper in an organized manner. Third point is safer working condition. The employees who are going to work in the workshop, so that area should be safe for the employees to work. Less wasted time, the idle time for working, or the employee should not waste any time, so that the productivity can get increased. Efficient work process and practices, the efficiency of the productivity should be very high. And the more available space, there should be a space, there should not be complexity. Next, how does it work? 5 is the most effective when applied in a systematic way. The following video illustrates the 5 methodology. The 5 is very much effective when you're going to apply it in a systematic manner. You have to plan how you can adopt the 5 technique. Even in our, I can give one example here of kitchen. If you're going to put all the utensils in kitchen in a proper manner, you can identify whatever you need in a kitchen. But if in your kitchen all the things are distorted anyhow, the things are not there in their place, then it's very difficult to get the thing at a proper time. So wastage of time is also of great concern. So let's see what is the 5S. Sorting, separating the needed from the not needed. You should keep the needed things in a different compartment from the not needed thing. Simplifying, a place for everything and everything in its place, clean and ready to use. Should be simple, it should not be complicated. You should get the things readily. Systematic cleaning or sweeping, the places where you're going to work should be very neat and clean. Standardization, developing common methods for consistency. There should be a standard level for working. Everyone in the company should adopt the standard things. Sustaining, hold the gains and improving. You have to sustain whatever the new techniques you are adopted, you are going to sustain it, means you are going to adopt it on daily basis, and then you are going to check, analyze the improvement in your process. Separating the needed from the not needed means what? You are going to eliminate not needed items from the needed items. Establish criteria handling of items. Identify not needed items. Okay, so the example I can show you here. Second thing is simplifying. Arrange workplace for safety and efficiency. Identify key equipment and supplies. Determine location for each item. Outline locations and zones. Develop shadow boards, label items. If you want to identify any equipment, so you can label that item by a red card, pink card, so that it can be easily visible. Document layout, equipment, supplies. You can put the document layout on the boards so that any newcomer can understand that which things are placed at what place. Cleaning for inspection. Your area should be cleaned on a daily routine basis so that it can help you to identify points to check for the performance, determine acceptable performance, determine visual indicators, mark equipments, conduct daily cleaning process. Developing common methods for consistency. Make abnormal conditions noticeable and document agreements. Document agreements and checks. Establish document standard methods across similar work areas. Document new standard methods. Everyone in that department should follow the same standard process so that everyone will be familiar to that document, and the time required for completing any documentary work can be easily reduced. So there should be a standardization in every process. Sustaining, holding the gains and improving. Determine FIRE's level of achievement. What is the goal that you want to achieve by that process? Perform routine checks. You have to, at each step you're going to stop and check what is your result. Analyze that result of routine check. How much progress you have achieved by this FIRE technique. You can check by a daily routine at periodic time, measure the progress and plan accordingly for continuous improvement. Here I can show you some examples. This left side image shows you that how the things are kept mixed in each other. So in the right hand side image you can see that after sorting, after applying the FIRE technique, you can see a very neat and proper. So here you can understand that how easy is it is to work for any employee if its workplace is kept in this manner. This is the second example of FIRE technique. So thank you friends. I hope this video is helpful for you. If any comments, you can put it in the comment box. Thank you.